How to use CapCut for TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can use CapCut for your TikTok. So let's get started. Firstly, open your CapCut application and tap on templates. Here you can see bunch of templates you can use for your TikTok. Select any one of them and click on use template option. Now you will be prompted to choose your clips. Once you select your clips, finally click on preview option and your template will be applied. Once you are okay with your video, finally click on export button at the top right corner. Once you export the video, finally click on share to TikTok option. Once you click on that, here you will be directed to the TikTok and now you can complete the video here and post it on TikTok. So there you have it. In this easy and simple way, you can use CapCut for TikTok. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.